Joe's Law, America's Toughest Sheriff Takes on Illegal Immigration, Drugs, and Everything Else That Threatens America. And you co-wrote that book?
Yes.
And you were, at least according to the cover, listed as the lead author?
Yes.
Does the book reflect your views?
I'm not sure. To the best of my knowledge, I haven't reviewed the book recently. In fact, I haven't even read the book.
Okay.
Totally.
But you've read substantial parts of the book?
Yes.
And have you read the parts that do relate to the illegal immigration problem?
I may have.
In Joe's Law, you refer to the illegal immigration problem and about the Mexicans who want to take back Arizona and parts of the United States, a reconquista. Do you remember that?
Once again, I'm going to say that my co-author did a lot of research, and many parts of the book was attributed to him.
Okay. Do you remember this line from the book, or if not the line specifically, the substance, the general essence of the line? You said there's a, quote, growing movement, close quote, among Mexican nationals and Mexican Americans that contends, and I quote again, that massive immigration over the border will speed and guarantee the reconquista of these lands, returning them to Mexico, close quote. Is that something you believe?
I'm not familiar with that. Once again, this is something injected by the co-author.
Okay.
And I'm not familiar with that whole situation.
You just asked the court reporter to mark the title page and pages 48 and 49 of Joe's Law as Exhibit 1 to the deposition. Here's a copy of what the court reporter has marked as Exhibit 1 to your deposition. And Sheriff, I would just draw your attention to the bottom of the page, numbered paragraph 2, that begins, quote, "My parents did not regard any inch of American soil as somehow belonging to Italy, so their arrival here never constituted a, quote, reconquest," close quote, of that land.
Where do you see, what paragraph, Counselor?
It's numbered paragraph 2
Okay,
at the bottom
right.
of page 48. If you would, just take a couple of seconds and read through those few sentences. This is a section, Sheriff, if I understand correctly, that contrasts your parents' experience as immigrants from Italy to this country with immigrants from Mexico into the southwestern United States.
I'm going to say again, I did no research. This is my co-author. This
Mr.
is
Sherman.
part of the book.
Okay.
So this is what he was saying, not me.
Okay. And my question is whether, because it refers to your parents' experience coming from Italy and the difference between how they approached immigration and how Mexicans coming to this country approach immigration, whether you agree with this notion, and I quote, that massive immigration over the border will speed and guarantee the reconquista of these lands, returning them to Mexico. Is that part of what threatens America?
No, I'm going to say again, I did not say this. It was him that said it. The only thing, the whole thrust of my comment regarding my parents, as far as I personally is concerned, is my parents came here legally, and I was talking about others that come here illegally. That was the difference on my philosophy.
Okay. So the Reconquista concern as something threatening America is not a view you share?
No.
Okay. If you would, Sheriff, just one more thing on this page. Right at the middle of the page, before numbered paragraph 1, it says, and I quote, "My parents, like all other immigrants exclusive of those from Mexico, held to certain hopes and truths," close quote.
What paragraph is it? I'm sorry,
It's the third paragraph on the page, right before numbered paragraph 1.
So the question,
Do you agree with that statement?
well,
Referring to your parents, their beliefs, and how they differ from all other immigrants exclusive of those from Mexico?
no, I don't agree with that.
No, but
I'll
I
tell
know
you
that
what you
don't
do.
wanna
You
seem
want
like
to
a
know
chicken
about,
out for the
you want to know
question.
about the illegal immigration problem? It's all in this book,
Have you read your book yet?
including
I know you didn't write it.
Sir, okay, it's a
It was
private
written by
property.
I recognize that. Are you
It's
asking
a
me to
book
leave?
saying, yes, I am.
What is this
Okay.
guy?
Thank you.
Jason, right there.
It seems to me that you're really afraid of these questions, and it's unfortunate
No,
you're
I'm not
chickening out.
afraid of any question.
Sir, it's
You
time
just
to go.
chickened out, my friend.
His name
Thank
is
you.
Jason, right?